Welcome back, coders. Now it's time to create or discuss about the many-to-many relationship. So this is also very important in PostgreSQL database. So many-to-many, we should have a table, and its name is a student, and another table course, and these two table will be related. For many-to-many relationship, we need to create a separate data table. Okay, so this is totally separate data table, and it has the reference with student ID and course ID. Okay, so you see student ID, it is a reference student ID. I mean this student ID, this student ID, and course ID. I mean this course ID. So this relationship will create a new table. Okay, and we will create from scratch. So it will show like that. This is student, this is course, and it will student course. Okay, but they will just provide the ID, but we will need extra metadata, and that is student name, course name. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's create from the scratch. So first of all, create a database. Say create database, say many to many. Okay, so database created. Now open the pgadmin and let's check whether database is there or not. So by this time we will run this operation. Okay, we will first of all we insert a table, create table student. Okay, you can run it over here, and before that you need to go to the table, this table, many to many, many to many. Okay, so now I have many to many table and create the table. Okay, create table is primary key name worker. Okay, create the table. Okay, let's see our pgadmin. It needs to start. Okay, so we'll run this operation. So first of all, we create a table student and another table, its name is course. Later we'll create another new table for this relationship. Then we'll insert data and we will run this 4 or 5 6 operation. So we will run the basic query, then count course per student, list courses with count student per course, course with multiple students, all pairs with count. Okay, let's see. We got the data pgadmin, and inside pgadmin we need to connect it. Okay, so many to many database is here. Okay, so it's blank, it's empty, no problem. Let's see our table is there or not. So we have the student, as we have create the student. Okay, student. Okay, now create another table and its name is courses. Let's say course. Now enter into the table many to many table. Okay, create another table, its name is course. Okay, now create another table and it has the reference, so it will create a new table and its name will be a student course, combining two, a student and course. It will be a student course. Okay, let's go student course. Okay, so we have three tables. Now we need to insert data. So insert into a student name value cell. Okay, Charlie. Okay, insert data in the student table. So we have inserted data, insert courses. Okay, insert student new table combining the two. Okay, so now we have three tables. Let's see. Mm, I'm clearing everything. Okay, select all from students. Okay, then select all from courses and select all from students courses or student course. I need to see student courses. Okay, student courses. So we have everything. So this is the student, this is the course, and this is the student. I have shown you. So finally we will get it. So merely we are getting the student ID, and you see Alice is two times, and Bob is on time, and Charlie is on time. Okay, and these three subjects we have. So now we run to basic query. Okay, so we need to understand the basic query first. So let's start the basic query. So we want to achieve combining two tables, so we need to run the query. Okay, select S name. S means student name, and course title, course dot title. Okay, you see a student name and course dot title. You see this is a student name. We need a student name and course title. Student name and course title. I am showing you once again. So we need a student name and course title, and thus we'll get this result. Okay, so student name, course title from students, and it will be LIS, and join student courses LIS student course on student ID equal to SC student course student ID student.id student student ID. So actually what we are doing, so student from a student, where student ID, I mean this ID, student ID equal to student course student course student ID. So this 1 2 3 4 will match 1 1 2 3. Okay, and we need another table join, and its courses C1 C dot ID course ID equal to student course dot course ID, and it should be underscore student ID course ID. Okay, you see both have the underscore course ID and student ID. So this first time student ID is matched with the student, and course ID will be matched with the course ID. Okay, if there is no typo, we'll get the expected result. So join courses C1 course does not exist. There is a typo. Courses. Okay, COURSES course. COURSES. Yeah. So we are getting the expected result, and its name is Alice, two times Bob, and Charlie, and you see Alice. I mean, Alice ID is 1 on 2 times, and 2 is Bob, and 3 is Charlie. And you see math 2 times. On is math 2 times, science and history. So we are successful to show you the many to many relationship. Okay. So if you don't understand, let me know. So I will run another operations, and if you understand this will be very simple. This is the basic operation. Now I run count courses per student, Alice courses with count, and 6 or 7 operations. So if you need this code, let me know in the comment box, then I will give you. So I will not discuss everything right now is because lot of things have not been discussed yet. That's why when I will discuss, I will come back once again. It's because we have not discussed count, we have not discussed over. That's why merely I am showing you the command how you can get the result. Okay, so I am letting you understand the basic command once again. Then I will run the list of the operations without making you understand. But if you have a deep dive, if you understand the basic operation, rest of the things will be very easy for you. So this is S name means we want student name. S means student, as we alias A is S, that's why we give it, and C course. From student S, student courses, SC means student course, the third table. Okay, on where student ID is a student course, student ID, and join courses C alias C on CID is equal to, basically this is happening over here. I am showing you once again. So you see where SID, I mean this SID, this is a student SID is equal to this ID, student ID. Okay, this ID is equal to this ID. This ID equal to this ID. Okay, this ID equal to else. Next time, this ID equal to this ID. This ID equal to this ID, like that way. So on time it's matching with the student courses student ID, and second time it matches with the course ID with courses ID. Okay, this is happening. So we are getting the expected result. So now go for the next operation. So it will count courses per student. So if you need the course, let me know in the comment box. Then you can run and see, get your hands dirty, or have some muscle memory, or get some confidence that these things are working. Then you can understand and even can practice. So you see, it what is it? It is count courses per student. So it's counting courses per student. Alice have 2 courses, Bob has 1, Charlie has 1. You see, we are running a count operation over here, count C. So it's on course ID. Okay, as course count, we are alias course count. You are naming it course count. A new table, a new column name. Okay, and list of the things are same, and we are running a group by. Okay, so it's showing on a student how many courses have been taken by one individual student. Okay, so now run another operation, Alice courses with count. Let's see. So it shows the Alice courses with count. So math courses count 2, science 2. So you can see another students, Alice say Bob. Bob. You can see the Charlie, Charlie. So you can run different operations, different methods to see the entire gamut. Okay, let's see students per course. So student per course, you see math has Two students, history has no students, science has two students. So this is the operation, and it's group by, it's count, and courses with multiple students. Let's see, having count on. So math 2, science 2. So it courses with multiple students. And this is the final operation, all pairs with count. Okay, select. So L is 2, so this is courses with, this is all pairs with count. Okay, so it will show you detail. Alice has 2, Ella is Bob 1, Charlie 1, science. Okay, so I hope I make you understand the basic query, and rest of the things are closely similar with the basic query, but some unknown attributes like count, over, and group by. So when I will discuss everything, group by, count, and everything as one. So you will understand everything. And if you like to get this code, let me know in the comment box. Then I will give. Okay. So it will be a wonderful journey. We will make 10 more projects based on PostgreSQL and Node and React. So it will be an exciting and wonderful journey. You will become Nobis to Ninja. So stay connected. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you soon.